Hello, I'm Val Grubb. Thanks for checking out this week's Lesson in Leadership. Each week, I offer up 3 tips for elevating your leadership skills. This week, I'm tackling 3 tips for upping your employees' strategic chops. Strategic thinking is a difficult leadership skill to teach because it is as much a mindset shift as a set of techniques. But first things first. Tip number 1, conduct a SWOT analysis on your employees, identifying the strategic areas where they are lacking. Then use gap analysis to determine where they currently are versus where they need to be. Tip number 2, strategic thinking is best learned by doing versus book learning. Therefore, look at rotational assignments in areas where they need developing. Couple this on-the-job training with formal mentoring from the C-suite. And finally, tip number 3, if a rotational assignment is not an option, then have them spearhead a major company-wide initiative, something that truly means something to the organization. The employee still needs formal mentoring, but the goal is for them to have real skin in the game. A final word. For these stretch assignments to work, you need to create a safe space to fail. That doesn't mean the employee gets a free pass. It's merely a way to recognize that when you're putting someone in an area where they are just learning, they may make mistakes, and the organization needs to back them up and ensure they take these newly learned lessons forward into their next assignments. Best of luck.